I'm talking about the idea of pure states versus mixed states. A pure state has zero ignorance in it, zero entropy, and mixed states have some ignorance or some entropy associated with them,
Mhm.
right?
Yep.
So this idea of subjective versus objective ignorance. In the previous videos, we talk about a mixed state, and we talk about it in terms of Alice sending a quantum state to Bob. So in this image, I have Alice at the top, Bob at the bottom, and Alice is sending Bob a quantum state, and Bob is making a measurement of that quantum state. Now, if you're doing an experiment that has like 50 trials, like every trial she prepares a state, she sends it to Bob. If she sends Bob the same state every single time, then that's a pure state because Bob knows exactly what state he's getting every single time. But what she can do is she can take her 50 trials and 30% of the time she can send state one, another 30% of the time she can send state two, and then 40% of the time she can send state three. And so that means that when Bob is doing the experiment for each trial, he doesn't know which quantum state he's getting. And so because of that, there's some ignorance associated with his measurements. There's uncertainty that's been introduced by Alice's mixing. But I call this subjective ignorance because Alice and Bob, they're both inside of the laboratory. So Alice is in the lab, Bob is in the lab, and she's sending him this information. And because they're all entangled with the laboratory and they're all within this laboratory setting together, Alice could always call Bob and tell him what state she sent. And so his ignorance isn't because there isn't information. His ignorance is just that he doesn't know what it is. But if Alice tells him what it is, then he'll know. And so this is a separation. This ignorance right now is not due to quantum entanglement. This ignorance is just due to subjective ignorance.